If your VARC is weak, you'll have to ask yourself two things. Is it a problem with just the question solving, or is it a problem with my ability? Ability means, am I able to read and understand? Am I able to differentiate between options? Am I able to understand the difficult words which are there in the passage or the questions? If there is a no for any of these, that I am not able to understand the passage or the questions or differentiate between the options or the words, then that means there's something lacking in your ability. So unless you work on your ability just by solving VARC, you'll not be able to do it, because it's like you give a 4th standard student exam of 7th standard. Now he has not done the 5th and 6th standard work, so how will he able to perform in the 7th standard? So then ability wala jo kaam hai, which is your vocabulary, which is your reading, understanding, analyzing, and together with it the solving. So that work has to be done all together consistently. Every day you have to show some improvement and some work. And whatever you're scared of, make sure that you're working towards it. Like the reading part, most of you don't do it. And I'm being very honest here. Most of you just feel that by doing the passage you are able to solve it, but that's not going to happen, because your speed will be slow, your solving skills will be less, and you'll be doing a lot of guessworks because you've not been able to understand, not been able to sync your mind with the author, as I call it. तो वो syncing करना पड़ेगा रोज, and paragraphs उठा के sentence linking करो, understanding the main idea, etc. ये वाला काम करोगे तो this will help everybody who has a problem in VARC. So that has to be done over 3 to 6 months. Improvement within a month दिखेगा, 10 दिन में कोई improvement नहीं दिखेगा. So you'll have to at least do it head down for a month, and then you'll start seeing improvement every 15-20 days.